Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with prerequisites: a supported device, Bluetooth on, and the AirPods case charged above 30%. Once ready, open the case and hold it within 3-6 inches of your iPhone or Mac. You want a stable connection. Make sure the case lid stays open while the pairing animation appears. This forces the device to read the AirPods BLE beacon. Tap Connect when prompted and accept any firmware update. After that, verify the device shows the battery widget. So once paired, you should optimize fit and controls so performance matches what you expect. Run the ear tip fit test to confirm a seal. A poor seal reduces active noise cancellation and bass response. Then go to Settings, find your AirPods Pro, and assign press and hold actions or squeeze gestures. This tailors noise control and voice assistant access. Make sure spatial audio is enabled, and test transparency versus active noise cancellation to understand when each mode improves clarity or situational awareness. To finish, validate real-world use. Play music and make a call to check mic quality, left/right balance, and spatial audio behavior. If audio drops, try toggling Bluetooth, then reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair. Make sure the case and tips are clean. Debris causes poor contacts. If issues persist, charge the case fully and retry. This addresses most power-related faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.